like, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel.
Hair removal. Forms of hair removal are practiced for various and mostly cultural, sexual, medical or religious reasons. Ingredients you need: chickpea flour half bowl, milk half bowl, turmeric 1 teaspoon, fresh cream 1 teaspoon. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl and stir well. Make a fine paste and cover all area where you want hair to be removed. Careful to apply it in the direction your hair grows. Leave it for 30 minutes. Then rub it in opposite direction of hair growth. And after that wash it with warm water. Visit BillyHealth.com to know more about hair removal.